In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate PayPal and Stripe with GoHighLevel. Before we start, here's the quick goal. By the end, your GoHighLevel account will be connected to PayPal or Stripe, so you can accept payments through invoices, checkouts, and funnels. Make sure you're logged into the correct location in GoHighLevel and that you have the right permissions to manage payments. It also helps to have your PayPal business or Stripe details handy, and to allow pop-ups in your browser because the connection opens in a new window. Begin inside your GoHighLevel dashboard and head to Settings. This is where all the essential configuration lives, and it's the best place to manage anything related to your account, domains, team, and of course, payments. If you manage multiple locations, double-check you're working in the right one, so the connection applies to the correct business. Next, go to Integrations. This section is designed for connecting third-party tools and payment providers. Think of it as the control room for authorizing GoHighLevel to talk to outside services securely. If you don't immediately see integrations, you may need to widen your sidebar or confirm you have admin access. From there, navigate to Payments and Checkout and click Manage. This is the payments-specific area within integrations, where you'll connect gateways and later fine-tune options, like default providers, receipts, and taxes. If the page looks different from what you expect, try refreshing the browser or clearing cache. GoHighLevel updates this area from time to time, but the Payments and Checkout section is always where gateway connections live. Now, click Connect next to the provider you want to use, either Stripe or PayPal. A secure pop-up or new tab will appear, prompting you to sign in and authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions from the provider. For Stripe, ensure your account is fully activated for live payments. For PayPal, make sure you're using a business account. If your browser blocks the pop-up, allow it and try again. When authorization completes, you'll be brought back to GoHighLevel and you should see the status change to Connected. That's your confirmation that the handshake worked and your payments can now flow through your chosen gateway. That's all there is to it. Open Settings, go to Integrations, head into Payments and Checkout, and click Manage, then click Connect and authorize your provider. With that done, you're ready to collect payments in your invoices, checkouts, and funnels inside GoHighLevel. If anything looks off, revisit the integrations page to confirm the connection status, and you'll be good to go.